Hello, I'm going to show you how to 100% complete the collection journal in Forza Horizon 6. If this video helps you, please like it, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's complete the collection journal as fast as possible. First, open your collection journal from the pause menu. Here you'll see everything you're missing, including cars, landmarks, mascots, photographs, roads, and Discover Japan stamps. Alright, don't focus on just one category. The fastest way to make progress is by exploring new roads, photographing landmarks, collecting mascots, completing Discover Japan activities, and driving different cars as you travel around the map. Every activity helps fill another section of the journal. As you earn more stamps, you'll unlock new rewards, like barn finds and additional exploration content, making it even easier to finish the remaining categories. Keep checking your journal after every session to see what's left, then set a waypoint to the nearest unfinished objective instead of driving around randomly. And that's how you 100% complete the collection journal in Forza Horizon 6.